Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live classes. Today we are discussing ninth class mathematics revision assignment related to the topic mensuration. Right? Here given the first question, in the given figure PQRS is a parallelogram and A is any point on RS. This point A is any point on RS. If area of parallelogram PQRS is equal to 180 centimeters. So area of this parallelogram PQRS is given 180 centimeters. Then find area of PAS. Now we find area of this one plus area of QRA. QRA means this area. Now we want to find this area. This total area is always already given. Now we want to find this area plus this area. Right? Here if you observe this parallelogram PQRS and triangle APQ. This parallelogram and APQ have same base PQ. This total parallelogram and this triangle APQ have same base and between the same parallel lines. Why? Because given this is a parallelogram and between the same parallel lines, right? So area of parallelogram PQRS, area of parallelogram PQRS is equal to 2 into area of triangle, 2 into area of triangle APQ, 2 into triangle APQ. So area of triangle APQ is equal to 1 by 2 area of parallelogram PQRS. That is equal to area of a parallelogram already given. What is given? 180 centimeter square. That is 1 by 2 into 180 is equal to 90 centimeter square. Now area of this triangle we find area of this triangle. Area of this triangle is 90 centimeters. Now area of this triangle PAS. Now area of triangle PAS plus area of triangle QRA. Triangle QRA plus area of triangle this triangle APQ. Triangle APQ is equal to area of parallelogram PQRS. Area of parallelogram PQRS. Now we want to find area of triangle PAS plus area of triangle QRA is equal to area of parallelogram PQRS minus area of triangle APQ. That is equal to area of parallelogram. We know that is 180 centimeter square. Already we find area of APQ. Area of APQ already find. That is 90 centimeters square. 90 centimeter square. That is equal to 90 centimeter square. So the area of this area plus this area is equal to 90 centimeter square. That is option 3 is the correct answer. Right? Now coming to the next one. ABCD is a square and ABCD is a square and AC is equal to BD is equal to AC is equal to BD. This AC means diagonal. This diagonal. AC is equal to BD is equal to 4√2 centimeters, comma AE is equal to DE is equal to 2.5 centimeters. This is 2.5 centimeters. Then the area of the given figure ABCDE is. So now we find area of this total figure. This is a square and this is a triangle, and this is a triangle, right? We know side of a square, side of a square is equal to diagonal by root 2. Diagonal by root 2. Diagonal, what is given? Diagonal is 4 root 2 by root 2, that is equal to 4 centimeters. So side of a square is 4 centimeters, right? So and this AE is given, right? And AD we know that is 4 centimeter, and this is a perpendicular bisector, means AF is equal to 2 centimeters. From this AF is equal to 2 centimeters, and AE we know 2.5 centimeters. Now we want to find EF. So by Pythagoras theorem, AE square is equal to EF square plus AF square. EF square plus AF square. AE is 2.5. That is 2.5 whole square is equal to EF square plus AF is 2 square. That implies EF square is equal to 2.5 whole square is 6.25 minus 2 square is 4, that is equal to 2.25. 2.25. EF square is equal to 2.25. So EF is equal to 1.5 centimeters. 1.5 centimeters. So this EF is equal to 1.5 centimeters. Right? Now area of this total figure. So area of ABCDE is equal to area of square. ABCD plus area of triangle AED. Right? So area of a square is side square. Side already we find, that is 4 centimeters. 4 square plus area of triangle 1 by 2 base. Base is 4 centimeters and the height is 1.5 centimeter. So that is equal to 4 square is 16. This 2 times 2 into 1.5, that is 3, that is equal to 19 centimeter square. So here is 19 centimeter square. Now coming to the next one. In the given figure, PQRS is a square. So PQRS is a square and MS is equal to RL. MS is equal to RL and this is equal to this, and APQ and B line is on same line. If AP is equal to MS, AP is equal to MS and this is equal to this. These two are also equal, and then the ratio of area of two circles to the area of the square. Area of two circles to area of the square. What you have to find? Area of two circles is nothing but 2 into pi r square by area of the square is side square. Side square. Area of the square is side square. Now we want to find this one, right? For that, suppose let I am taking the let AP is equal to x. AP is equal to x. AP is equal to x means AP is nothing but radius of the circle, right? So AM is also x, that is equal to AM. AP is equal to x is equal to AM, and SM is also x, right? SM is also x, right? So from this triangle SAP, from triangle SAP, SA square is equal to sp square plus ap square, sp square plus ap square. So that is equal to sp. What is sp? sp is nothing but, we don't know sp value, that is sp square plus ap. Ap value is x, right? We are assuming x, ap is equal to x square, and sa is nothing but sm plus am. Sm is x plus am is x plus x, 2x whole square, that is 4x square. That implies sp is equal to root 3 into x. sp is equal to root 3 into x. What is this sp? sp is nothing but side of a square. sp is nothing but side of a square. So now 2 pi into r radius, we are getting radius is x, right? X square by side square. Area of a square is side square. What is side? Root 3 x, that is root 3 into x whole square, that is equal to 2 pi x square by 3x square. X square get cancelled, that is 2 pi by 3. So the ratio is 2 pi by 3. Option 2 is the correct answer. This is today's assignment. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.